This is a video of the damage that's been caused to my roof. My two guys who were up here yesterday, we didn't arrange for them to come. They've just arrived, started work, ripped all the ridge tiles off and left it basically. You can see there's big holes in the roof there. There's all this rubble on top, and then there's another ridge on the top of there which also has had the ridge tiles removed. This is the other side, and see it's a complete and utter mess. Can't believe they've done this. Apparently there were two guys turned up at 9 o'clock in the morning. Neighbours saw them but didn't think there was anything suspicious. They just assumed that we'd arranged for them to carry out work on the house. They got up on the roof, ripped the ridge tiles off, and then after about an hour and a half they got back in the van and left. Just left it like this. The only explanation we can think of is they've realised they've started work on the wrong property, looked at the damage they've caused and realised how long it's going to take to repair it, and scarpered basically, just left it like this. And to top it all off, there's a yellow warning for thunderstorms tonight. Don't know what we're going to do. The ridge tiles are still on top of the dormer. They've not even stolen them. Just ripped the roof up and left. Unbelievable. This is the van we believe they were in. As you can see, there's no company logo, just one that's been painted over. And the picture's not clear enough to pick up the registration. Fortunately, we managed to cover up the worst of the damage, and the rains weren't as bad as forecast. And when I called a local roofer and explained the situation, he was absolutely fantastic. Mike McFeat came out within half an hour of me calling him. He assessed the damage and rearranged his schedule to fit us in. At 8:30 the next morning, Mike's son Scott and his team arrived. They were an absolute pleasure to have around. They were polite, cheerful, hard-working. In fact, I don't think they stopped. And when they'd finished, the place was spotless. And look at the job they did. Absolutely fantastic. So it was done at such short notice. Absolutely brilliant. I couldn't recommend them highly enough. Just shows the difference between a reputable local firm and the cowboys who did the damage in the first place. If anyone's looking for a roofer in Neston or the surrounding areas, I'll put McFeat Roofing's details in the description below. So, it's a bit different from one of my normal videos, but I hope you've enjoyed that. Hopefully I'll never post another one like that again. Please leave a thumbs up and post any comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Big Ted's Home and Garden. We'll see you soon.